Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the Jewels Grande Hotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and I've decided to do a room tour. So I'm going to enter the room for the first time. I hear that the room is very nice and luxurious, so come along with me. So this is my key on my hand. I'm going to use it to open the door. Okay. So the others came in already. Wow, this is nice. I love it. This is nice. Let me close back the door. The others came in. So this is like an entrance table, I guess. Yes. Let me see. Should have storage. Yes. There's a storage here and another storage here. I love this. This is nice. I love the detail on the front. And these two wall art over the table, they are nice. I really like them. So I like this table. Maybe when I come in from the beach, I can throw my stuff under there. Yeah, it's nice. And this is the bathroom. Wow! Beautiful. I love this. This is nice. This is luxurious. I love this. These are my kind of stuff. This is the toilet area, so it's to itself. Okay. Then this is the shower area. Whoa, the shower is so nice. I love it, love it, love it. We have a little bath over here. It's a single bath. I love the tile on the wall. They look like travertine. And then we have the sink. It's a double sink, his and her sink. Two nice large mirrors. I love it. Let me step back so I can give you guys a nice view. I get a little blow dryer under there. I love it. I love this little bath. It's not so big. Let me see if I can hold it nice. You can't hold me still, but it's not so big. But it's nice. Anyway, moving on now. Let me see what else we have here. I guess right here is, what is this? The bar? Oh, there's a little refrigerator. The bar is stocked. Water, juice. Oh, there are more storage space underneath here. Drawer. Oh, so this is like a little mini bar. Storage. Oh, yeah, this is nice. I love the detail. And then over here, I guess over here is a closet. Yes. It has sensor light. So when you walk, so when you open it, the light comes on. When you close it, the light comes off after a while. So now this is the bedroom. Wow, this is nice. I love this. Wow, I like the design. What is this? Like our, oh, this thing can roll like a bowler thing. This is nice. The bed. Wow, the headboard. The headboard has the same detail that is on the entrance table there, and is the same detail on the headboard. Oh, the lights. Sorry guys. Oh. And the lights, nice. Charging area, lovely. I love it. Oh, I really love the headboard. I see a nice wall art over here. large. I like huge heart. And these are like a coconut tree leaves. It's beautiful. I don't know. I don't see any initials, so I don't know. I love heart. I really, really love heart, especially big wall art. The headboard matches the little bed and couch down here. On this side, the bedside lamp. I guess this side can turn on by itself. Yes. And let me see, what do we have here? Oh, this is a reading light. I like that. And these are charging ports, plugs. Bedside table, nice. Yeah, I really love it. And this is the entertainment area. It's lovely. It's matching with the headboard and the bedside table. I guess these are some storage areas. I won't be needing those. Okay, moving on now. This is a little table, sitting area, like a dining area. And then you have this sitting area. This is lovely. I love this. Like a little breakfast nook area. Nice. And then the art. Look at this art. This is a rope. Yeah, and then some of them are wrapped with cords, like a shoelace, different colors. This is beautiful. This is lovely. I like this one. But I prefer the other one. And then over here we have a sofa. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, it's a sofa bed. Here we can pull it out. It looks like a sofa bed. Let me see if it's a sofa. Oh yes. It's a sofa bed. Yeah. Well, I can't get it in back. And these are two sofa table or end tables, you know. And then out here we have the balcony. Oh, this is nice. Nice sitting area. Lounge chair. I can have my coffee out here in the morning. And look at the view. Look at the view. I love it. Look at the pool. There's a pool bar down there. The view is excellent. It's wonderful from up here. It's fantastic. I love the view. The view is nice. And the balcony comes right. Oh, the balcony comes right around. Oh, there's a play area over there. The balcony comes right around, so you can actually get a full view of the hotel. But this is not the complete view because there's another section, the country club, where we checked in. This is lovely. This is absolutely lovely. So guys, thank you so much for coming along with me on this beautiful, luxurious hotel room tour. And bye! I'll see you in my next DIY video.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. trying not to give him the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy, problems with everyone, but it all comes down